What's up, guys? You don't know, it's another reaction video. Hit that like button, subscribe and leave a comment. So you don't know.
Never been seen this yet.
Alright now, so this girl are gonna drink raw. What is that? Anything? Who does that? Who does that? Look how she shot though. The NC walk almost taller than her. Radam. Mama juice now got help you. Should I mix the juice with the long time? Burn.
I say, hey girl, go up. I behave. Them boy them want to talk to my rough.
No, Yamed 101. How to identify a Yamed?
One boy them give me the ice so I'm gonna move some more sit down and don't do nothing.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Hi. Yeah, them boy them want.
Wait a minute. Wait.
2, 3. Martin, you gotta eat that too.
Wait a minute.
That's a part of it.
For hot and spicy, man. You don't know. I love them something. You see, it was like a noodle challenge. Yeah.
The bottom is a part of it.
Where is the pepper, Martin?
It's Cuscat Dry.
You better you got your bet.
My $10 at Cuscat Dry. I eat already.
But this brother, you know, go take it too far.
How do you feel?
I feel alright and I feel very copacetic.
How does it taste?
I feel good.
So you don't need no water, nothing.
No.
So you go get, you okay?
It is what it is.
It is what it is. You okay?
No, the burning. Now it's kicking in.
Are you okay?
Now it's kicking in.
Is that tears in your eyes, Martin?
Come up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha.
Yeah.
How hot is it?
Oh my God. Never been seen this yet.
From a scale from 1 to 10.
Hey, do you want me to glass of water? Can you have me a glass of water?
To a corner world, I know. You better you got your bet.